Okay guys, in this tutorial, this is the continuation of access modifier. Earlier we studied private access modifier and default access modifier. In this tutorial we will learn about the protected access modifier. Means if we use the protected access modifier, that means it is accessible within that class and subclass and the non-subclass of the same packages, and it is also accessible from the another package subclass. And one more restriction is it is not accessible from the non-subclass of another package. Okay, this is protected access modifier. First off, when we define protected, see, I am creating class A, protected int A is equal to 10, some values. I have this some values. Okay. Means I am creating class, it is accessible within that class, there is no doubt. Then it is accessible within this subclass. Okay. If we create the object here for B, I am printing b1.a value. You should not get any error. Yes, right. See, this is output. See, 10 means, see, in the what happens in the when we use protected, see, this protected means it is available within this class. Within this class, it can be also accessed here. That is class B extends A. It is also accessible from here. If we create the object of this class A, it must run. Okay, see, we are getting the output. Okay, the first two condition is satisfied, that is it is accessible within this class and it is accessible with this subclass. Then third comes, it is accessible from the non-subclass of the same package. That means I will remove this one. Okay, let it be. I am creating one more package. Now within the same package, that is package test, I am creating one more Java file. Okay, Java class file here I am creating. This is okay, this is protect file. Okay. I already told you that it is accessible, this protected. If we define this as a protected, it is accessible within this class, within the subclass and non-subclass. This default file, this protected file is a non-subclass, but the same package. I will create simple void. I will make this file as protected. Okay, let it be public. I am creating if I create the object of this protect file here, I am creating object of this file. need to change this one, p1. That means, see this protect file, I will run this one, we are getting the output as 10. That means, see, in this file, this protect file with the same package, but it is not the subclass of any A or B, then it satisfies all the three conditions. See, it is accessible within this class, within the subclass, and non-subclass. This is not a subclass of any class. This is a non-subclass of this package test. It is also accessible when it is defined with the protected. Then comes non-package. You also need to concentrate on non-packages. What happens? Default file, okay, when protected keywords can also be accessible from the subclass of the another package. Means in the another package, if it is a subclass of this one more package, then it is accessible. Non-subclass in the another package is not accessible with the protected. Means, see, in the test I have this one, class A protected int A10, class B extend A. There is no need of this one. I am removing this one. See, the default, this is default package, this is another package, this is one package, and this is one package. Okay, default is sub package of class A. Okay, we need to import this, need to be public. That's why we are getting error. Okay, it's okay. That means another package. If it is a subclass of this another package, means I will remove this one. Okay, there is one more class, protect file. Protect file, this is belongs to same package. I am created protected int here. This is another package where I can import this package, that is test.star. I need to import protect file. Okay. When I extend this one, okay, this is quite confusing. Let me repeat once again. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, we have gone through this protected constructor. It is accessible within that class, and it can be also accessible within the subclass. And we created one more class, protect file, which is non-subclass with the same package. It is also accessible. Now comes how to access from the other package, which is a subclass. Means, see, this is with a different package, but it is the subclass of protect file. See, you can see here, plus here, it has a subclass. Which subclass? With the different packages. Different packages has this subclass. Means, if you create the object of this class, see, default file, I am creating the object of this class. You need to import this package, default pack. Okay, I will print see, we are getting the output as 10. Okay, see, don't confuse, this is quite confusing. Means this class, when it is defined with the, this is another package, this is another package, this is with the same package, means this is test package, this is also test package, this is default package, this is the class of test package, this is the subclass of this protect file Java. That means this is subclass of this one. When here it is defined with the protected, means with the different package subclass can be accessible here. That's why we are getting 10 as the output. Okay. If it is has a non subclass, that means different file. Okay. This is extend this one. If it has non subclass, you cannot access. If it does not extend this one, see, you are getting error. See, error, cannot find symbol, means we cannot access this one. Then finally it comes public. Okay, public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has a wider scope among all the other modifier. Means if we define it as a public, then there is no need to worry about this one because it can be accessed anywhere. Means it is very important to know about this private, default, protected and public. Public is common. If you define anything with the public, then there is no need to define any other modifier. It is accessible everywhere. See, here it is a public, means we always need to define this as a public because this is where the program execution starts. See, it is a protected file. I am defining this as public. You need to specify access modifier when it is taking from the other class. See, public, I am creating protect file. I am printing value because it is available publicly. It is available public. See, this public value is available. If it is extending this value, see, we are getting the same output. Suppose I am not importing any package. Okay, this is with the package test and this is with the package default pack. I am not extending anything. I am just created the class. I want to create public. I just want to create this public a is equal to 10. I will create default file. See, it is available. Value is 10. Means how it works. Okay, this is with the package test, this is with the default pack, this is default pack, another file. it is not the subclass. This is the separate pack. This is separate one. This is with the package. This is here. Here we define public int value as 10. I just want to import this one package and just create the object of this default, and we are getting the output as 10. Means when we define with the public, we need not to bother about what is going on because it is easily accessible everywhere. Okay, you can also download my application Java for you. It is available in the Play Store. Just type Java for you without space. You can also download without space between this one, Java for you. Okay, subscribe my video, like and share. Thank you.